Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Sarosh and I'm a foundation level student at the Han School at campus Islamabad. And today I am doing my Tedx talk review and my topic is how to speak so that people want to listen by Julian Treasure. I hope you all are doing well today. I am excited to share my review of one of the most practical and inspiring Tedx talk I have watched. Communication is one of the most valuable skills we can develop. Every day we communicate with our family, friends, classmates, and colleagues, and even strangers. But have you ever wondered why some people instantly capture everyone's attention when they speak, while others struggles to be heard? This TEDx talk answers that question beautifully. Julian Treasure explained that speaking is more than just saying words. The way we speak, the tone we use, and the intention behind our words determine whether people truly listen to us. Good communication is not about speaking louder, it's about speaking with honesty, clarity, and purpose. One of the most powerful part of this talk is when Julian discussed the communication habit we should avoid. He mentions behavior like gossiping, speaking negativity about others, consistently complaining, making excuses, and being judgmental. These habits slowly reduce our creativity, and people become less willing or trust listen to us. Instead he introduces several qualities that make someone a trustworthy and effective speaker. The first is honesty. People naturally respect who who speak truthfully and sincerely. The second is authenticity. Instead of pretending to be someone else, we should be ourselves. Authentic people build stronger connections because others can sense their sincerity. The third quality is integrity. This means keeping our promises or ensuring that our actions match our words. When people know they can rely on us, our voice become more meaningful. Another valuable lesson from this TEDx talk is the importance of voice itself. Julian explains that our voice is an instrument. The volume, pace, and pitch and the tone of our speech are influence how our message is received. Speaking too fast can confuse listeners, while speaking too slowly may lose their attention. A calm, confident, and expressive voice helps us communicate more effectively. So another important lesson I learned is that listening is just as important as speaking. Effective communication is a two-way process, and the truly way to listen to others with respect and attention, they are more likely to listen to us in return. Great communicators are often great listeners. Before I conclude, I want to listen you with one final thought. Every conversation is an opportunity to make a positive impact. Speak in a way that encourages others, inspire hope, and build trust. Use your voice not to spread negativity but to spread knowledge, kindness, and understanding. Your words have the power to influence hearts, change minds, and even transform lives. So use them wisely. So with this is my TEDx talk review. Hope so you like it. Meet you next video. Pakistan Zindabad. Khuda Hafiz.